What is up, guys? And in this video we're going to be talking about how you can earn up to $500 just by doing what you are doing right now, watching YouTube videos. And if you want to sound too good to be true for you, well, stick around, because yes, this gas works for anywhere in the world. Anyone can take advantage of this, just to have how. And if you are new here, then first of all, welcome to the strongest and we on YouTube. And second of them, make sure you're too quick to things you like money, to make sure you tap the like with your button until you start blue, and helps to reach more awesome people like you with the YouTube algorithms. And also make sure you tap the Twitter red subscribe button to join the Belly Squad, so that you are the first to know every time we drop the brand new video about the best, most awesomeness ways. And yes, that's the world to make money online. And if you don't like money, it's fine, I understand. You don't have to like button, you don't have to tap the subscribe button, I understand. But now there will be the helpless kitten somewhere who is the sad you did it. So you guys have to be loving the readiness. We have been literally getting hundreds and the thousands of the comments. I am guess the answer is and so I've been superheroes. So just want to give the shout out to our last $1,000 course winner who got the awesome answer to our riddle correct first, and also wanted to give you the chance to another reason to join the Belly Squid, because if you don't get it first, you don't win, right? And the only way to get it first is to join the Belly Squid, and to be the first person to know and comment every time we drop the brand new video. So today's riddle is what has to be broken before you can use it comes when your answer below. And if you are the first one on the site, if you will be our next $1,000 course winner. So in today's video we're going to be teaching you how to make money online, and just by watching YouTube videos. And I want you to think about this for the second. You could be doing exactly what you're doing right now, except you could be making money. That's the pretty awesome, right? So how this works is as the follows. People and businesses all around the world need social engine, baby. They want to share your algorithm that their stuff is pretty cool. Maybe they are just getting started and they want to tell the algorithms that they existence, and maybe they should start showing their posts or their videos or their stuff to other people. Maybe they just want to accelerate their actual growth on social media, or maybe they just want to the social proof to show other people that they are actually saying or their services or the products is actually worth paying alternation, or regardless of why they want to social engineer the Twitter with tens of the thousands, if not hundreds of the thousands of the people, who individuals and the businesses out there that are willing to pay of the social engineer. By the social engineer, I mean the Facebook likes, I mean the YouTube views, and I mean to YouTube's likes and the comments, and all of the type of the things that's actually our entire underground world of this story. I just got a kind of the hyping on the. Oh, guys, I will be honest. This is the great way to make money, but there's a couple of the steps that I meant. It can be complicated if it's your first time, so make sure you turn off this track to your phone through out of the window. Turn off the Instagram, turn off the Tinder, and pay attention to all of this way until the end of this video, so that you don't miss any important steps or it's gonna to work. And also, like always, we do have the fun surprise for awesome people that do stick with us until and very end of the video. Alright, guys, so let's get into the essential. Today's what we are going to be is similar to the drop services model. And the drop services model, for those who you don't know, basically means that you get somebody to buy services from you for $20, and then you outsource the actual delivery and the fulfillment of the service to someone else is the cheaper place for the $10, and you actually net the different profit between the 20 that you charge and the 10 that it looks you to pay somebody else to fulfill. And it's a great model, right? Because you don't actually have to pay to do any of the fulfillment, which usually means they will work. And all you get to do is to actually just find the customers. And so the site that we are actually going to be doing this with the code AddMeFast, calm down. The AddMeFast essentially is a social media engagement exchangeable website, right? And there's a lot of the different ones out there, but AddMeFast is one of the biggest and the most late, and it actually know to the fact that it works. And what we're going to be doing to Fast is we're going to be watching on the YouTube videos to actually educate their website currency, which is called coin. Now you can do this with a variety of the different social media sites and the Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, or of course YouTube. Now it's free to join. All you need to actually get started is the Fast account, and of course YouTube account to watch the video is this. Here's gonna do the start accumulate coins, which we are the 10th of the course going to exchange into the cool hard cash in our bank account. Now once you set up the free account instead of the AddFast, you can see that the website of the can actually pick YouTube that you are going to do this. Is you can actually YouTube videos and accumulate coins just by watching their first 30 seconds of these YouTube videos. I know that might sounds weird, but people all around the world are willing to pay the people watch their YouTube videos, because again it tells the YouTube algorithm that this might be interesting, maybe it might be actually be worth showing other people. Now every time that YouTube watch 30 seconds of all videos, you earned more coins, and the goal is to get as many coins as you can, so you actually can turn those coins into the cold hard cash. And if you are wondering about Podric, how do I actually turn those coins into the cash, well, that gets us into the part 2. Like I mentioned before, essentially what we are going to do is we're going to bring to drop the services strategy. So that makes we actually need to define the customers who are willing to pay more for what we are actually doing, going to the full essentially. And so what we are going to do is we are going to create the second completely free account on the site called player. Once you're inside of your player of account, you want to scroll down until you see the Facebook. Now you can do this in any other way that you want. Fight actually charging for the services on the Snapchat or the TikTok, because TikTok, a brand new platform, it might be interesting to actually accumulate some TikTok engagement. But for this example, we are actually going to use the tried and the true Facebook Lives. What you can see here is you can actually click on the buy and sell the Facebook likes, and you can actually create your own listing very easy, where you can sell Facebook likes for $5 to $10, and then that you are gonna to do is to want somebody actually buy that from your own the player. Up to the real called hash cash, the deposit directly into your bank account for the PayPal account, and you're going to do is you're going to then fulfill the debt services using AddMeFast, using the coins that you're actually accumulate, right? So you're going to basically get $10, and then you are going to fulfill on the other with coins that you are going to free just to watch 30 seconds of the YouTube videos. And so I know a lot of you guys are probably getting this. I know it starts to make sense, and it's exciting, but there is one more very important point, so do tune out quite yet. So after you created your list, think somebody actually buys that listing to get them Facebook likes or Facebook comments or whatever, or if you are creating and what to go outside the box and other some TikToks or Snapchat or Instagram services, you can do that too. But once somebody actually buys your services on Player, you're going to have to take the URL that you given to you're actually going to have to take write it back and AddMeFast, and this is where the is actually fulfill the services that's the person bought. So we are going to go back to AddMeFast. We are going to go to the ad sites or the page sections. We are going to select the services and we are going to paste the URL to the services that they are requirement. For this example right here, use Facebook likes, but again, if you can do this for the any type of the social media platform, for the engagement that people are willing to pay you for now, once you actually face the URL that they give you, that they pay you $10 or you ultimately fulfill into the AddMeFast site, then that URL will start actually getting likes or comments or whatever they actually wanted and paid for. And the cool thing about this strategy is you can repeat this over and over and over again, essentially attribute again, and the difference between that somebody willing to pay you on the Player that you can actually fulfill ultimate sometimes for the free just for using coins at AddMeFast. And another cool thing about you don't actually have to the hardcore and AddMeFast, right? You didn't actually pay any money over the all you are doing to this watching 30 seconds of the YouTube videos, and you can actually outscore this to the virtual assistants, get as many coins essentially as you need, have to then watch 30 seconds after 30 seconds and just get more and more and more coins, and then use that coins storage to actually fulfill multiple of the different services that you are actually creating on the PlayerUp there, and then fulfill those services essentially for free, just using the coins that you are accumulating for the AddMeFast when you don't have any coins of the goods sold or any costs to actually fulfill other than the time it takes to actually accumulate coins. That means that every time you make money is infinity profit. Also, did you know what we actually have to the second YouTube channel? We are to bring the best, the brightest entrepreneurs from all around the world to teach you how to make money online completely for free. Check out down below. It's called the More Than Rich Podric channel. We have the actually go live 3 times a week teaching you how to make money online completely for free, and we also just launched a brand new podcast channel. So thanks all you guys who actually made this our cast top 25 in the world entrepreneurs. You guys are amazing. We just want a brand new YouTube channel for the podcast as well. If you like the podcast, if you like the making money online, check out our 2 brand new channels down below in the descriptions, where we are the bunch of the giveaways and a bunch of the stuffs every single day, especially during our lunch period. Make sure you haven't you check out those other channels, you like them, you subscribe to them, you get engaged, because remember guys, you get out that you, and if you haven't already, first of all, why not make sure you tap the little like button until it's turned to blue, and tap the subscribe button to turn on bells and join the bell square. And we have the brand new playlist coming back to you in 3 2 1. See you there. Click it, come on, click it, come on, do it, click it, the place. Okay, if you don't have it, but I promise you will like it. Click to the place. See you soon.